Hello, my friend. Today, let's talk about for the future. Uyu munsi tugiye kureba interuro twakoresha turi kuvuga kuri ejo hazaza. Uriteguye? Niba witeguye, reka dutangire. What are you planning for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? Ni izihe gahunda ufite muri weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? If you wanna practice in English, you can repeat after me or speak with confidence. Can you repeat that? I plan to relax. I plan to relax. Mfite gahunda yo kuruhuka. I plan to relax. Are you going on vacation? Are you going on vacation? Are you going on vacation? Uzajya mu biruhuko. Are you going on vacation? Yes, I'm going to Gisenyi. Yes, I'm going to Gisenyi. Yego, nzajya i Gisenyi. Yes, I'm going to Gisenyi. No, this time. No, this time. Kuri ino nshuro yo ntacyo nzakora. Oya, kuri iyi nshuro yo ntacyo nzakora. What do you want to do in the future? What do you wanna do in the future? Ni icyo ushaka kuzakora mu gihe kizaza. What do you want to do in the future? I want to be a doctor. I wanna be a doctor. Ndashaka kuzaba a doctor. I wanna be a doctor. I wanna be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. Ndashaka kuzaba mwarimu. Are you learning anything new? Are you learning anything new? Hari ikintu gishya uri kwiga? Are you learning anything new? Yes, I'm learning in English. Yes, I am learning in English. Yego, ndi kwiga Icyongereza. Yes, I'm learning computer. I'm learning a computer. Ndi kwiga computer. I'm learning PC, person computer. No, not at the moment. No, not at the moment. Ubu ntacyo ndi kwiga. Ubu ntacyo ndi kwiga. Do you have any goals? Do you have any goals? Hari intego ufite? Do you have any goals? Hari intego ufite? Yes, my goals are. Yes, my goals are. Yego, intego zanjye ni uku. Ugakomeza. I'm still figuring it out. I'm still figuring it out. I'm still figuring it out. Ndacyazishakisha. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Uribonayo mu myaka 5 iri imbere. In 5 years, I hope to be successful. In 5 years, I hope to be successful. Mu myaka 5 iri imbere, nshaka kuzaba umutsinzi. I hope to start business. I hope to start business. Ndashaka kuzatangira business. Are you saving money? Are you saving money? Hari amafaranga wabitse cyangwa wizigamye? Yes, I'm saving for education. Yes, I'm saving for education. Yego, ndi kuzigamira kwiga kwanjye. Do you wanna start business? Do you want to start business? Hari business ushaka gutangira? Yes, I want to start clothes. Yes, I wanna start clothes. Nshaka gutangira business y'imyenda. Thank you for watching this video. I love you so much. Subscribe for more video. If you wanna speak in English.